COVID-19 pandemic provides overwhelming evidence that we need more and more effective multilateralism with vision, ambition, and impact. We cannot respond to this crisis by going back to what was or withdrawing into national shells. We need more international cooperation and stronger international institutions.